Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I'm a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I practice at Clinique Belle and at Manipal Hospital. Muscle enhancement procedures are basically done for body contouring. This is when people, in spite of their extremely hard workout or putting in effort, they are not able to get the muscle definition that they want. So the commonest thing that people come to me is for enlargement of the calf. A calf implant is a common procedure that is done. The other thing that people could ask for is for a pectoralis major implant, though this is not very common. So these are the kinds of procedures that the people come for, but by far I think the most common procedure people do is a calf implant, because whatever amount of workout they put in on the leg, the calf doesn't seem to build up. Though it is strong, it doesn't build up the way they would like it to look. So these are customized implants that are available depending on the size, depending on the shape that you want, and we can put it on one side or both sides, either on the inner calf or on the outer calf or on both inner and outer calf, to give you a very nice solid looking leg.